And we've got a really quick lesson today that we can actually do on video, and that's just we're going to talk a little bit about areas of triangles. So let's consider this triangle here. It's labeled in the usual way, A, B, C, with big letters representing angles and small letters representing sides. And we also have a height of a triangle, height of the triangle. And you guys are definitely familiar with the formula for the area of a triangle. Area is 1/2 base times height. But let's look at something interesting here. So let's look at, let's say, angle C. Well, the sine of C is the opposite, which is actually the height of the triangle. We're just looking at this little right triangle on the right, over, well, let's see, the hypotenuse of that triangle is side A. So the height of the triangle is actually side length A times the sine of the angle C. And let's look at our area. This is A for area. It's 1/2 B times H, but actually, so 1/2 B times H is equal to A times the sine of C. So this is 1/2 AB sine of C, and we could have used this angle or this angle, A or B, instead if we had wanted to. So really what this says is that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the product of two different side lengths times the sine of the angle between them. So you can use any two sides and the angle between them in this formula for the area of a triangle. So use that. I want you to work on the worksheet in your workbook, just called area of a triangle, and try using this formula. See an example quickly before you try the homework. Let's look at this example. Let's have a triangle. Let's say this is side A, and this is angle A, and its side length is 7. B has 10. Let's say we know this angle between them is 25 degrees, angle C. Well, the area, so it's 1/2 times two sides and the sine of the angle in between them. So this will actually give you the area of this triangle. This is quite a bit easier than trying to calculate the base times the height. And if I plug this into my calculator, I will actually get, rounded to 3 sig figs, 7.5 times 70 times 0.5, 14.8. This would be meters squared, say, if these were in meters. So really quick, go try worksheet area of a triangle. Thanks.